Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Google Pixel 6. And this case is made by TUDIA. I've used them before. They make good cases. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at this one. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the TUDIA DualShield designed for Google Pixel 6 case. All right, merge, shockproof military protection. All right, now heavy duty, dual layer, tough, slim, hard protection case with metallic slate. All right, so it's got two pieces to it. You can get them in different colors. You get them in slate, indigo blue, matte black, and rose gold. All right, now $14.99 on Prime, $14.90 on Prime. No coupon with this, but I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look. Okay, here's the case. It's got a simple wrapper here, unique design, protective case, eco-friendly package. Let's go ahead and peel this open. Nothing else in here but the pack right there. All right, here's the case. You got this metallic looking back right there. And this is two-piece. It comes off. Came off pretty easily too. And you got a TPU inside. You got a little pattern inside. Merge, TUDIA merge branding in there. A little bit more information. You got TUDIA branded on the back. And you got a little detail down here. A little shiny insert right there. Camera's going to be well protected because it's raised up right there. And you got a mic hole right there. You got your opening for your two speakers, and you got your holding for the dummy speaker and the regular speaker, and this charging port right here. Okay, bottom down buttons right here, and you got your power button right there. Okay, nothing else on this side right here, not even any branding. Okay, but it's doesn't feel too thick without the phone on. Let's check it out and see what it looks like with the phone on in the case. All right, now we'll get the Pixel 6 and put it inside. Okay, we got the Pixel 6 right here. Let's put it inside the case. Nice snug fit, and it doesn't feel bad. Now I thought this might feel too slippery. You got these ridges right here that get a little bit of grip, and you got the matte area around here. It fits nice. It's a nice fit, and it looks good. Got a raised area for the lip right there. Everything lines up on the bottom. The mic hole lines up as well. It's a little thick in there, but it lines up. Camera, of course, is well protected and looks good. Got a little detail around there that makes it look real nice. And this is the branding right there. So this feels good, not too bulky. Still get your finger around there pretty good. Doesn't feel too slippery. Just not a bad case. Okay. Got that two-tone look there. Looks pretty cool. All right. It feels good in the hand as well. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Put it on. Picked up wireless charge, no problem. Let's stand this up, see what happens. Okay, picked up wireless charge again. And let's lay it down this way, long way, see what happens. Picked it up again, no problem. Wireless charging works well. Okay, so that was a quick look at the TUDIA case for the Google Pixel 6. Nice case, feels good in the hand, and I think it's a good purchase. It's a premium feeling case, and I think it's going to offer good protection for your device. All right. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.